I'm going to be using these screws. These are sheet metal screws or self-tapping screws. They literally make their own hole. And I hope it doesn't get in the way. You get these at any Home Depot or Lowe's. That's 1-inch version that I'm using. This is my sliding door, and that's what I'm going to use it on the inside. So that when the door is locked, no one can come in. This is my sliding door. And it'll be locked from the inside, so I can lock it. That is the sliding door, and I want to keep it from people from this side, where I'm at right now, from opening it. I used this drill bit to make the hole a little bit larger. I'm sorry, but I can't film and install at the same time. I don't have a second person with me. So I've already gotten one in. I'm gonna get the other one in here, and it's gonna close, and then I'll be able to lock it here. This part is in, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up, get an idea of where I need it on the wall here, mark that, and then drill the holes in there, and that'll be my little lock over here. This is the little lever to flip it up and down. And the screws are not in the way there, letting it unlock. Okay, I got it in. I used no anchors, no nothing, I just screwed it in. I'm not looking to keep burglars out or anything. It's just to keep the kids from just easily sliding the door open. So, this is it right here. I go like this. And now, I just push it in. Okay. And now, you can't open the door. It's locked. Perfect. So now when I need to open it up, I just push on this. And it's unlocked. I guess in time it'll get better. I'm trying to film and do this, so it's kind of hard. But it works just fine. Gets the job done. See? And so if you have a sliding door, this is what I'm using it for. I don't believe it's meant for this, but if you have a sliding door and you need to put a lock on it, this is what you do. Well, this is one of the options. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I couldn't open and close it while filming. It's hard. I have to look to see what I'm doing. So it works. I like it a lot. These are all the tools used to install it. My drill, sheet metal screws or self-tapping screws, a drill bit, whatever size, and a piece of wood so I don't drill through this thing. This is just a display so that I can have the products pop. All right, I hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye.